make a snowflake, you'll need scissors and paper. I like to use standard printer paper for size. What we want to do here is cut ourselves a square. So we're going to cut down this edge and get rid of the side. See? Pretty much a perfect square now. We're going to flip it over and fold it in half. Once I've done that, I like to keep my pointer finger on the center while I fold these next parts. There we go. It should be fairly symmetrical on both sides, but this does take practice. Now we're going to fold it in half one more time. Make sure you always cut here and here. That will be the inside and the outside of the snowflake. Get creative with it. I also like to cut little bits into the side. This will give it more detail and make it look more delicate. Keep practicing with different shapes and it'll make totally different types of snowflakes. Rewatch this as many times as you need and have fun.